Your warehouse operations are always in motion. Products flow in, orders move out. But everywhere you look, challenges appear. And when they do, your business risks not keeping up with expectations. In the demanding world of warehousing and distribution centers, moving forward isn't optional. It's a requirement. And that's where we can help. At JR Automation, we maximize warehouse potential using the power of next-generation automation. Our engineers will show you how integrating robotics and other advanced technologies can fill the gaps in your current processes. We'll design systems that work for your budget and floor plan. Then, we'll help you deliver those ideas into production. All integrated, all seamless, all designed for your business. With a global team of experts, decades of smart distribution experience, a portfolio of trusted technology providers, and end-to-end support, we're helping companies like yours find a new path forward. That's why JR Automation is the partner you need to receive, sort, pick, pack, and palletize your way to success. In an ever-changing environment, your warehouse needs to be both ready for today and prepared for tomorrow. With the power of robotics and automation, we can repackage your challenges and turn them into possibilities. Together. JR Automation. We're ready to deliver. Visit jrautomation.com today to learn more or to schedule a meeting with our team.